What's up, guys? 1 second, I'm gonna go to the bathroom. All right, I'm back. What's up? All right. From 9:58. Yo, Jay, there was a new scandal there, bro. 9:58 for 100 points. Yo, Jay, there was a new scandal there, bro. We had PPI. Alright, we're chilling. Ooh, dude. Bro, why do I look red, bro? What's up, Josh and Deep? Alright, guys. So, first things first. We have a data high here. Am I live on TikTok? No, just YouTube. I go live on TikTok like later. Data high, guys. I'm not gonna lie, best thing for data high could be like a sweep of this low. Let me check higher time frames here. Go to check the 4-hour. We're inside of a 4-hour gap. I'm gonna see if there's anywhere in particular inside of this 4-hour. All right, now we have this 1 hour. Check 15 minute. 15 minute. All right. Let me check 5 minute. Yeah, super the south side could low-key be perfect here. We did tap into the other 5 minute here, but I really want to super the south side before looking for longs. All right. Close below the 5 minute. 4 minute. Yeah, everything closed below, dude. Everything's more bearish here. One of the south side to get taken first. Under my nose. All right. You got tomorrow's. Yeah, I got tomorrow's when I 1 minute iFVG move. Don't worry. All right, we're good. Yeah, I still want this outside too. Bro, my nose, bro. Targeting dead eyes. Yeah. Go ahead and put this smartphone on. You're not saying anything and found out I paused the stream accidentally, bruh. Yeah, I'm waiting for this south side, bro. We got what, another 8 minutes? I already put my phone in the other room. I was not saying anything, low. Gets so silent sometimes. Yeah, bro. Like, what am I supposed to do here? We're just going like this. Best case scenario would be this, to be honest. Just a dupe of these lows. Maybe a judo swing at market open. See, I'm looking for longs to data high. So I'm gonna explain the way I found this 5 minute. So I found this 5 minute. We have a huge 4 hour gap here. Zoom in on the 1 hour. We have a 1 hour gap here. 15 minute. We have a 15 minute gap here. And then 5 minute. We have a 5 minute gap here. So we're delivering off of all these gaps at the same time. So really, best case scenario would be to deliver all off of all of these gaps right here. So something like this. Up to that high. Retake the south side here with a Judas swing could be like best case. Yeah, we're kind of just waiting here for market open, to be honest. Just sitting in here on stream. Michigan's just waiting. We have no more news today, right? Yeah, we have no more news. Trump speaks at 1 p.m., but You're in uni. Do you think you should pursue a degree if they're profitable? I'm not in school now. I'm not in school. Yo, what's up, bruh? All right, bro. You see the data high? Yeah. I was gonna get on earlier, but bro, I did not want to, bro. I checked my phone and saw that the dead eye was super far, and I stayed in my bed for an extra 5 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. In New York lunch. Aisha was already taken out before. It was taken out from London session. Let me see screen share. You still do demo. Okay, yeah, so that's good. Fund it active. Fund it active. Why do you think the Tradeify website sucks? Okay, kind of open. We get a Judas swing off market open here. Market open's either just gonna take us to the data highs or no. Womp womp. We had 20 seconds till market open. My bias is the data highs, bro. Yeah, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, and a 5 minute. But I want price to come back in at the 5 minute. We haven't hit it yet. Yeah, I just zoomed in on the 4 hour. So go on the 4 hour, mark that out, then go to the 1 hour, then mark that out. Then 15 minute, then 5 minute. No, the one right under it. The one under the sell side, the low that we just made. The one under the sell side. Just because we'd be delivering off of the sell side as well. Let me see. Let me see. Draw it out. Yeah, but it's inside the 4 hour. Yeah. Yeah, because we'd sweep it. Yeah. That's why I had it marked out, because we'd be sweeping the sell side as well. Yeah. Just because you'd be sweeping sell side as well. I'm still bullish to the dead eyes, so maybe we get like a, maybe just like a continuation setup. But I didn't think we are gonna leave that. Yeah. Or something like that. You watch out for ES. Dude, no way we just pump up here without giving us a setup. Where? Yeah. But you're not even looking at, bro. Why are you so zoomed in? Check the YouTube chat. Sorry. Time frame. Do you know if you data has 1 minute? What's up, Kirk Townsend? Good morning. Sorry, I didn't see your guys' questions. My bad. I was on Discord with my friend. You see it? feel like anything up here might be too high to take, to be honest. What? Think this too high. Do we have any SMTs here? On ES. Neither of them swept that low. Not really any SMTs here. Maybe with lunch low, but that lunch low isn't even much of a low. Yeah, S&P 500. But that's indices. You want to pull up ES. Remember, it's how it's NQU 2025. You can't have more than two, remember? But there's a Roomba by my room. Yeah, maybe land fan. And if you I might get a short setup up to data high in SMT, maybe. Maybe. Someone said he feels like we might get a short setup after sweeping the data high. In the back tasting last night, I did 1 week. Had 2 wins and a loss. I mean, the loss was kind of mid, to be honest. But you know how the candles were messed up when you're switching from the hourly the other day on Tradeful? It was doing that and it was throwing me off because I couldn't see the higher time frame. So I took a setup, and then the higher time frame candle like updated after I took the setup. It was missing like the hourly candles. For the YouTube streams, we're doing like bad at first when I switched because they're doing bad at first when I switched because I wasn't promoting it on like my Instagram story or like sending the link to the Discord or anything, but it's picking up now. It's doing better without it. Oh my gosh, bro. Imagine we just get no setup to. Bro. Are you ready, bro? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Apparently. Bro, we're so ready. We're so ready. We're so ready. Bruh. What do you mean? We're so ready. We're so ready. I might unmute. I might unmute you on stream so they can hear you. I don't know. There's nothing else to do. Please no. Please no. Please no. Ken Carson. Please no. No, when I'm on TikTok, yeah. Please no. Don't say slurs on my stream if I unmute you. Please no. Please no. Please no. And if NQ is 25 points from dead high, I might just take longs. I mean, you can, but like, I wouldn't do that. Me? No. Oh, no, no. It's like a negative R. It's like no risk to reward. You're just like entering 25 points away until it hits. I've seen it do this a million times, bro. I've seen it do like that, and you'll get liquidated before then, dude. Data highs always hit, bro. They're like 95, if not 100% chance of them hitting. But you don't want to take like a stupid thing here and then it just like, then you get liquidated on the way down. Bias is bullish. We're looking for these dead eyes. I mean, I'm not telling you not to, bro. I mean, you could do it if you want, but I wouldn't. I haven't typed in that 5 minute yet. Go ahead and mark it out. Bro, I got a Mew, bro. I got a Mew. I got a Mew, bro. No. You can only use that for certain things. You're supposed to only use that for like food. You know Popeyes takes EBT now? That is crazy. No. Would you do Section 8 housing with me? Would you own Section 8 housing? Guaranteed paychecks from the government every month. Bruh. So you get like a $100,000 house. Get like the cheap house. Or do $100,000 duplex and then they're already tiny. But yeah, I probably would get destroyed. Bro, what is TS price action, bro? TS price action is PMO. Ian. What? Where? Oh, in here? DC's Discord. Bruh. Bruh. Yeah. Yeah. What's my bias, bro? Data highs, bro. But we haven't gotten anything. It looks like an AMD setup coming along. Maybe. Dude, no way we have this type of price action after market open, bro. This was yesterday. Bruh. 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 I'm gonna long for data high right now. Okay. What random talking do you want me to do to engage my chat, Ian? Okay. What do you want me to do about that? Yo, guys, he said if I was in your chat, I would be like, bro, this guy's boring as hell. I'm not sitting here. I don't know. I don't know what. I don't know what to talk about though. We have nothing. See, 25 points away. Why is not 25 points away? How far are we? It is the Rowan method, dude. It's the Rohan method, bro. The problem is taking setups that are just entering to data highs. You're not gonna have a stop loss. Okay, 25 points away. It could. It could just pump up, but I never said it couldn't. Yeah. So you'd have no stop loss or anything. You wouldn't have any stop loss. Bro. 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 Should I get some more Pop Tarts? It was me. It's you. Bro, that high got hit. There bears FVG got hit. There's a bears FVG. 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute. Potential SMT form can be a sweet spot. Yeah. You got okay, you got your stop under the 1 minute FAG that got tapped into, okay. So yeah, possibility for an SMT. I will check what you're talking about. So we are inside of a 4 hour BPR actually at that highs. 1 hour gap, yes. 15 minute, very, very tiny 15 minute right here. And there's some 5 minutes there as well, so we'll see. Well, Dre didn't take it, but still. Yeah. It doesn't always do that. Like, it literally could have just ran it. Like, you really don't know. Bro said, I'm in shorts. Bro, we did not sweep that high. Okay. All right. Right. We got people entering left and right here today. Yo, Ian. Oh, Ian's not there, bro. I would call him, but I don't have my phone. Bro, bro whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, dude, tap the 5 minute, bro. No SMT that highs either. Bro, did not tap our 5 minute, bro. Let's get. Yo, wait, yo, could I get canceled for saying that? Yeah. What are they gonna do? Ban me from the markets? Thing is, TJR gets canceled like every day. Yeah. But he has so much money, it doesn't matter. What are you gonna do? Like, take his money? No. No, I don't know who that is. Just Snoop. I think MNQ and NQ are kind of different in terms of points, yeah. Someone said NJR the GOAT. But do you know who NJR is? Yeah. NJR, bro. What is it? 23966. That is really 2396. I'll just put it here, bro. Whatever. Koenigsegg. By the way, sorry, I'm trading indices. Didn't sweep data high though. Yeah. Someone said up. He was up 700, and then he took 300 partials, and then got stopped at break even on his short. But see, like the 5 minute gap. Oh wait, this is ES, bro. What am I looking at? The 5 minute gap didn't get tapped into. Is swept that high on indices, bro. Talking about what's it called? Nas 100. Let's see, bro. Let's see, bro. If you entered 25 points away from that eyes, you've entered like right here. And where would your stop loss have been? If you had no stop loss, you just went like negative crazy. What's this times two? 80. It'd been $80 per contract. You would have been down if you're on micros. MNQ1, MNQ 2025, bro. Get out of here with that, bro. We don't use NQ1, bro. We use NQU around here. Oh, now we have a 15-minute gap. Nice. 15-minute. Just formed. Nice. We formed a 15-minute gap. Any differences between NY session on Bitcoin compared to NQ? I don't know. You knew what was going to happen. Well, it doesn't always do that. I was just saying I've seen it happen a lot. So, yo, Ian. Yo, Ian. Bruh. Where's your favorite trading influencer? Yeah. Yeah. No, they can't hear you. Bro, they can't hear you. They can't hear you. Bro, bro, do you know more trades? You- Bro, look up more trades. It's TJR's friend. Bro, he's so chopped. No, he's so chopped. Oh, Brett Scales, bro. That was 2 hours into getting it. That was his Lamborghini Aventador SV. Yeah, and then he had an Aventador S. That one also like fucking got destroyed the day he got it. Yeah, he crashed. No, he crashed it, and then he got an SV, and then got like a custom SVR kit, and then like it just like freaking blew up like 2 hours after he got it. What G wagon? Here's a GT3 RS too, bro. He still has both Aventadors. You know that he still has both of them. Yeah, he still has the crashed one and the one that like blew up. He still has both of them. So he has like $4 million in cars, but they're all just like, or not four, I would say two or three, but they're both, two of them are just like destroyed. And he posted on Twitter today. I was scrolling on Twitter, and he posted, he said, "I'm looking for a new car. Give me some recommendations. My budget's 700K to 1 mil." Like, how much money does this guy have to just keep blowing money on cars and then just keep destroying them and not like selling them to at least get some of your money back? Right. Kind of looking for it. Who am I talking about? We're talking about Brez Scales. Brez Scales. Bro, now you understand bad price action, don't you? Yeah, Brez is loaded. Bro, but the only thing that makes me mad is when people blame price action for their losses, bro. Like, if there's bad price action, just don't take anything. You know what I mean, Ian? Yeah, guys. Chat. If there's bad price action, just force the trade. Just force the trade, bro. It doesn't even matter. Just force the trade. Come on, bro. You about buying another car after the SVR messed up? Yeah. He posted about it like yesterday or something on Twitter. But it's not even an SVR, bro. It's an SV. An SVR is not a real Lamborghini Aventador model. It's a SV with a custom kit. It's like an aftermarket kit that you can put on an SV. It stands for it's it's like SV racing. That's what the R stands for. Is no. Bro, I looked it up, bro, but it didn't say like it's a wide body with mods. It's a wide body with mods. It's like what Mansory does. I just think SVJ is better still. I would get an SVJ with a custom kit, but I still think I don't know what brand does the SVR, bro. 2018 Lamborghini Aventador SVR 600K. Bro, V12 is crazy. The fact that they're like doing away with that too is kind of crazy. You know, like a V12 is probably gonna be like a thing of the past, bro. Which is actually kind of crazy. Like, bro, there's no way you're telling me the new Ferrari is a V6. It's like a hybrid, bro. Yeah. No, but his car says SVR though. Yeah, it does say SVR, but it's not a real 10 a.m. macro time. Yeah, but 10 a.m. What? Yeah. In bad price action, we should four. Yeah, bro. Ian, read chat. Ian, read chat. Look, he's so right. In bad price action, we should just full port. I can't even find the price of the SVR online. Well, it's a regular like a Lamborghini Aventador. It's like probably like a SV that they take, and then stuff. It's not a SVJ though, because if it was a SVJ, it would be like in the millions. For like kit on it. Has Mansory even done a kit on an SVJ? Oh, Ian. Also, like you know how I get you know how I get distracted a lot, like while trading. Right now is one of those times where I'm looking for a pullback to this gap, and we're not getting it right now, so I'm kind of just waiting. That's why I'm fine with looking at stuff. Bro, they did a Mansory Tesla Cybertruck, bro. The 15-minute. Bro, oh my gosh, dude. Yo, I need money for this, bro. They did a Revolto already, bro. I was literally looking at that website the other day. And they didn't have a Revolto. They just did a Revolto. Bro, my girlfriend won't get it. Dude, they did a Porsche 911, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I never liked Porsches until I saw like the GT3 RS and stuff. Bro, the Porsche 911 Mansories are so sick, bro. I never liked Porsches either. But they did the new Lamborghini Aventador Ultime, which was the one of the last Lamborghini Aventadors they made before they switched to the Revolto. That one looks gas. They did some Urises. They did a Sprinter, SF90. They have a really cool SF90 that's like a Tiffany blue for the interior. But I don't know where it is. It's probably gone. They did an all gold G Wagon. And they put suicide doors on it. Regular G Wagons don't have suicide doors, right? They did an Aventador Carbonado. Oh, I saw, bro. I saw someone. They were in Miami, and that car was in their parking garage. The Carbonado. Ian, you know what the Carbonado is, right? It's the all carbon fiber Aventador that Ministry did. You see, sold in the past. Bro, this one's so gas, bro. I don't know why in my head I'm like thinking that I could have even like gotten this, and I'm mad that it's sold. But look at it, Ian. Are you looking? This one, this SF90. It's just a sick SF90, bro. With the blue interior. You see it? That's so sick, bro. SF90 is like the best Ferrari model, I'm not gonna lie. Bruh. Still not in this gap. But yeah, guys, if you're wondering why I have 10 a.m. I'd rather get a Pista. I don't really like Pista. Turbo S is better than GT3 RS to me. Damn, you don't force Turbo S. I don't really like Porsches, bro, but when I saw the GT3 RS, the wing made me like it more. Check Discord real quick. Because the regular Porsche 911 doesn't have the wing on it. And a lot of people don't have money for a GT3 RS, so I've never seen one. So was this valid iFVG? Broke even though. No. It closed way too high. Like it closed above the internal gap or the internal thing. I mean, formed a CISD BOS there, so not too bad, but I just wouldn't take that one. It's not that it wasn't valid, it's valid, but look at the Turbo S. What is it? 911? No, I don't like that. I've seen those. That's like the one that most people have. Bro, no, bro. It's just bro to bro, the only reason I like the GT3 RS and the GT2 RS is literally because it looks like a race car version of that. I just don't really like it. You're drunk, get some help. They're so fire. Nah, bro. My friend on Discord is telling me he's agreeing with you. Bro, because that's gas, bro. Actually, that's not the only thing I like, bro. I actually thought but my girlfriend won't like I was talking with her about it. She won't get a Rolls Royce or a Bentley because she said they're black people cars. Because like, bro, because like in like music videos, bro. Bro, look. Bro, we're still not touching this 15 minute. We're not touching that 15 minute, bro. No, look. Like, look at the type shit music video, bro. They had Rolls Royce in the background. Bro, I know I tried to tell her that. I'm like, the only people I ever see driving these cars are white people. Like old white women. Bro, I don't know, bro. I don't know. That's crazy. Yeah. You only like Porsche GTRS because of Ken? No. I like it because it's just more of like a race car looking version of the 911. I just don't like most of the. I did, bro. What? I just literally like 99% of Porsches I don't like. Let me see what the Turbo S looks like. Oh, yeah, that, bro. I'm not changing my mind on that car, bro. I'm sorry. But that's why I was gonna say GT2 RS because it's a GT3 RS with a twin turbo. But you said the GT3 RS, since it's naturally aspirated, would probably sound better. Kind of racist, bro. That I did not say that, bro. I did not say that. I was thinking the Bentley Bentayga would be nice for like like, yeah. Apparently, yeah. Apparently, it's a really fast. You're racist, caught in 4K, bro. I never said I wasn't, bro. I'm not like racist, bro, but like, Like I feel like everybody has a racial bias, bro. Like people like build like stereotypes in their head. I'm not wrong, bro. Everybody builds stereotypes in their head, bro. Just from like real life experiences. Am I wrong, bro? Like what? Gonna be another TJR? Bro, I'm not wrong, bro. I do, Ian. I do have bad experiences with like specifically Haitian people, bro. Bro, it wasn't me that said that, bro. It's my girlfriend who said that, but she's Puerto Rican, so she can't be racist because a lot of people say only white people can be racist. With what people? Haitian people, bro. I've had such bad experiences with Haitian people, bro. There's nothing here. There's not even a fair value gap to trade, bro. Shut up, bro. You are not the market maker. No, he said he didn't take it. Is that what your girlfriend said? Yeah. A Bentley or a Rolls Royce? Cause you see a lot of rappers driving like Rolls Royce, like Wraiths, Phantoms, or like a Bentley Continental. What was the? No, she didn't like that car either. That's why we settled on an RS5, but I couldn't even find an RS5. Okay, so here, the only Turbo S that I really like would be like this one. It's a Mansory. Chat, you guys see it? Bro, what? They have another one on here. That red one looks kind of ugly. This one's not bad. This all black one, but I wouldn't like the gold wheels. That Revuelto is sick. Okay, then get your regular Turbo S, bro. She's assuming a rapper is Haitian. Bro, whoa. What are you talking about? An RR? How do we, bro? Oh, Rolls Royce. Okay. I was thinking about trading. Okay. I was so confused, bro. I was like, what does my girlfriend know about RR, bro? No, bro. No, she's not assuming a rapper is Haitian, bro. I have bad experiences with Haitians, bro. It just pissed me off. No, she just sees like rappers driving like Rolls Royces and Bentleys. Like Uzi has a Bentley Bentayga. Bro, it's you never seen a rapper with a Bentley, bro? What are you talking about? I just named one. Lil Uzi has a Bentley Bentayga. Bro, Lil Uzi literally has a Bentley Bentayga, bro. Bro, said you've never seen a rapper with a Bentley, bro. There's so many rappers with Bentleys, bro. I see them in mainly Lambos and cats, bro. Bro, I barely see rappers in Lambos, bro. Ian, how many rappers have you seen in a Lambo? I feel like Uzi doesn't have a Lambo. Cardi has one. Mm-mm. He has a Bugatti. He does have an Audi R8. You mean Huracan? The only rapper I've seen with a Huracan would be like, I know Cardi has a Lambo. I don't know which one it is. I think he has an Aventador. Travis, Travis Scott. Yeah, they all have Urises, but like, I've seen Cardi has an Aventador. Knight Lavelle has a Huracan, and then Ken Carson just got a Storado, and I think it was gifted to him by Cardi. A lot of rappers don't have money for Lambos, bro. They don't make as much money as you think. Like they make a good amount of money, but I guarantee you TJR makes more money than a lot of rappers, even though they front with a lot of money. Because record labels like steal all the money, bro. Like they could say that they charge X amount of money for a show, but the record label's taking most of it. Like Uzi can say he charges 500K per show on a song, but the record label I guarantee is taking most of that. And they just lie about a lot of that stuff, dude. Like Ken Carson said he charges 100K per show. I know he does not charge 100K per show. Where'd your racks go? You spent it on money. You spent it on his money. Yeah, he said sold out toward him. They should have booked a stadium, and then they just like he did an arena tour, and it just like didn't sell out, and they had to cancel the tour. And then he talks about like, bro, he talks about on music, like, bro, Lone had a line where he talked about like an Aventador because he said this isn't a regular Lambo, this is an Aventador. Bro, neither of them have enough money to buy an Aventador, bro. Both of their net worths are like a million. Record labels like actually like take like all the profit. If the record label splits were way better, then they would definitely be worth way more. But a lot of rappers have like an 80-20 split. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, 4 minute, 3 minute. It's a 30-second, bro. But this is so trash. This is like one of the worst weeks we've had in a while. Like, what is this May price action, dude? I just looked it up. A Maybach is a car a average famous rapper would own. A Maybach, yeah, that too. But Maybachs are like my girlfriend said she'd be fine with a Maybach. But Maybachs are just like they're not like I feel like they're more of like chauffeur cars. Bro, Uzi has one of the worst car. Bro, am I wrong? Does Uzi have one of the worst car collections you've ever seen? Like, bro, he has some nice cars, but what are the wraps he puts on his cars, bro? Uzi. You seen the wrap on it? You seen the wrap on his Bugatti? She's fine with the Maybach. She likes the interior. Ian, look at his. Bro, there's nothing right now, bro. But like, what is this, bro? There's no way buy a $250,000 Bentayga and put this on it, bro. This one's nice though. This one's sick. The off-road Bentayga. But then look, I don't know how we got a Bugatti for what was it, bro? Like, what is this, dude? I know. No, I haven't watched it yet. But these colors were way better, bro. Bro, he's standing on the Bugatti. It's a Cowboy Bebop, like the Weekend themed Bugatti. So it's a Starboy. Bro, and then that's his Urus, bro. A Bape themed Urus, and it says Uzi Gang on it. Bro. It's like a Bape Urus. Wait, what is it? I can't even see the what anime it is on it. We didn't take out Data High. I have it on my other screen, don't worry. No, we did not take out Data High. Do you not have Data High marked out? 830 high. No, we did not, dude. Okay, now we took it out. Okay, we have a SMT here as well. Bro, shut up, bro. You're gonna make me crash out. Look up, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. ES did not take the Data High. NQ did. SMT. Yes. Ian, if you're, let me see. I see your screen share, bro. Bro. Oh, okay. There you go. Good boy. We have the unfilled 15-minute. Doing a possible mech model here. Supposed to be like 80. No, mech model Targeting an internal gap. So we have the 15-minute unfilled. Stop loss at the high. We have an SMT at the high as well. Do you okay, do you bro, look at my stream. Do you see my stream? So you see how I drew out this like an estimated stop loss? This is 76. I upped it to 80 to risk. So if I put 76, I type in 500 here. It automatically put in 13 contracts. What is 13? 49 or 494. We just formed a 2-minute highest time frame. 3 minutes highest time frame. What do you mean? How big is your stop loss? Mine's 3.3. What? What are you talking about? If you draw it out, it says 80 tick stop loss. You put 80 ticks for your stop loss. What are you talking about, bro? Making me pull up your screen share. Bro, what are you talking about? Why are you putting 25 ticks? 71. Bruh, you're an idiot. The max is 60. Because it's micros. Remember, minis is 6. So. The 1 minute. There's a 4 minute. Yeah. There's no 5 minute. 4 minutes formed. You have a nice SMT there, dude. Too. 4 minute would be the highest time frame. This 1 minute looks the best. Just sucks that we have a 4 minute. But I've always had a problem with the 4 minute. I'm not gonna lie. This 5 minute might be the best. Yeah. Bruh. Dude, that is such like a. I mean, it's not the worst, but that was the one I watched. Minute would be the. I hope we form this 5 minute. Because realistically, we should be getting it at about the macro if we get it. Do we have SMT here? Oh, that is that, bro. ES is coming for the data high, bro. ES is coming for that data high. No, because then we're not gonna have an SMT. ES is slowly getting closer, and NQ is not moving that much. I'd have a possible setup to this 5 minute now. Yeah. It'd be like 1 hour. Something like this. So we formed the 30-second. No, 1 minute. I would do it on micros. Use 2 micros. No inverse there. Okay, I have 30 more seconds so I can draw this gap here. Probably have to draw it below the volume imbalance too, to be honest. I have to target like a 1R inside this gap. Volume imbalance. Volume imbalance is all the way down here. Check the YouTube chat. Sorry. On MNQ we did, not NQ. That was right. Data sweep, now SMT, obvious 1 minute iFVG, 2 minute, better wait for 2 minute, 2 minute. See a big wick candle. That's sus. Big wick. Closed below on MNQ, but not NQ. Pretty sure. Yeah. I mean, we did close, but we have the VI. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we might get it here. All right, so I'm watching NQ. Okay, so we're in here because of NQ. NQ inversed. I'm in here 16 cons. All right. Now I get stopped out here early on MNQ. NQ is moving so much different, to be honest. Just looking for this 5-minute gap. I'm gonna be watching NQ a lot here, to be honest, because the NQ is moving a little bit different. Very close below the iFVG. Sorry. We're much closer to getting stopped here on MNQ than NQ. I'm gonna move this just a little bit so we don't get stopped early. I'm watching NQ here as well. Don't worry. I'm watching NQ. Okay, so I'm stopped out, yeah. How much was the L there? 460. Did ES take out that data high? We got stopped out. ES taking that data high. The SMT should have held, bro, but maybe it's because you didn't close below the VI. I don't know. But yeah, that's it. Oh, there, mech model. 2D 5-minute. Manual closer, stop at the high, stop at the high. Big wick candle that says I'm not in yet, though. Yeah. What is all this drawing here? And this 1 hour is just ripping through this. Okay, so now there's no more SMT. We took out that data high. Made sense with the SMT and everything. What? Yeah, I'm not taking any entry now. No SMT, no obvious iFVG for me. Yeah. Guess I was just too choppy. Stop was estimated 60. Yeah, so not a big loss, but so now we have a new 1 minute here. Let's see. About to be inside this 1050 macro. Yeah, that wasn't like a horrible trade. I guess just chopped at the entry. Two-minute just formed. Give it 2 minute. Okay, so we got a little 3 minute here. Still have 3 minutes to see if this one closes. Not taking any entry, no SMT. Okay, yeah, simple. Unfilled 15 minute, unfilled 5 minute. Seems like we have another mech model here. 3 minute to the unfilled 5. So we'll see if we get this. That we could leave runners to this. So if we want to. Unfilled 15. But yeah, for the most part, probably just do TP here. It would be the 3, yeah. It would be the 3 targeting the 5. Yeah. Well, it seemed like that ES wanted those highs because NQ kept moving up and up until ES took out that high. 12, 10, 11. All right, let's see. Okay, some my fill was trash, dude. My fill was ass, dude. I'm gonna stop here. So 1R is gonna be right here. Yeah. I'm just doing TP at the 5-minute. Or at 1R, right about the 5-minute. 15-minute could be a good TP as well. Yeah, it was a 30-second. You see how bad my fill was? It should have been like up here. Was yours this bad? Oh. 980.25. Yeah. Like 0.1R difference. So like my 1R would be a lot closer. A little bit closer. I just look for this 15-minute gap for TP. Or 1.2R. Maybe go break even at the 5-minute. So either 1R, I'm gonna all right, I'm gonna do partials as well. I'm gonna sell 5 there. And then I'll do full TP here. So I did some there. I'll look for a little bit extra here. Actually, I might put a little bit in here. And boom. There we go. Nice. Made the money back. Perfect. Made the money back. You didn't make the money back? How did you not risk right? Good stuff, guys. If it was just as bad, nice, bro. Not nice that if it was bad. Let's see where we're at on the day. Red by 75, bro. I'm up by 95. My average R was like 1 hour there, so. All right, not bad. Probably don't care what a random YouTube, but I feel like that first shit was pretty rushed. I wouldn't say it was rushed. I would say more of I do care what I'm listening, bro. Don't worry. Um, the only times I don't listen to people is when they're like, I don't know, like talking shit, I guess, or telling me just random stuff that doesn't really correlate to my strategy. Second trade was perfect. Yes. First trade I would say was good because of the SMT, but I wouldn't say rushed. I would say more of just like, um, I understand what you're saying, but like I feel like it was just bad because of the chop. So yeah, kind of rushed, but not exactly like yeah, I know what you mean though. Don't worry. But yeah, definitely just shouldn't have taken it with that type of PA, with that type of close and everything, with all the wicks and everything. But yeah, I mean, good here. I should have taken full TP at the 2R though. I'm not gonna, right here, not 2R. Sorry, I meant just TP here. Average R was right here. 1R, yeah. My average R was 1R. Perfect. Because I took partials at like 0.8 and then full TP is here. So nice. Gonna send this to the Discord. Ended little green on the day. Little green on the day. Gonna go ahead and send this to the Discord. Say boom. Got this here. Everybody should end up green today, right? Only rush from my perspective because I was waiting for a 15-minute hire to get tapped. Okay. Make a video about mech. Maybe. I don't want to teach. Not teach, but I don't want to like sell someone else's model though. It's PB's model, the mech model. It's their mech model just means mechanical. There's a lot of different people that have different mechanical models, but this is specifically their mechanical model. And I don't want to like. Nice. Good stuff. We ended green. Still above the buffer on my TPT. Let's go. I can't withdraw anything today though. I mean I could, but just a little bit, but I don't want to do that. No. Let me see. Let me see. I'm here. Wait. All right. What's up? Screen share. I should have just done full TP at 1.2. Where was your stop on the first one? Okay, yeah, that's not bad. Go into your orders real quick. I want to see how much you lost on the first one. Oh, if you why do you have 3 TPs there, dude? Go back up. Go back up. Why do you have 3 different arrows? You have 4 arrows there. You know what? Your field just looks like it sucked. Wait, how many cons did you use? How many cons did you use? That was proper risk then. That was proper risk. No, those weren't. Those were TPs. Those were TPs. Yeah, it just sold at different prices. It just all sold at different prices. It just sold at different prices. No, they're not. Go on it. They're off by like 25 cents. Wait, no, they're not. No, look. Oh, wait. 3 of them are the same price. You're right. Wyatt filled them 3 different times, though. And then I think that might have been your stop loss. Yeah. Oh, no, that was your partial. No, that was your partial. That was your partial. Why did you do 3 different partial TPs? 212. Oh, yeah. Yeah. All right, W stream guys. Everybody should end green. But Alan, I don't want to make a video on someone else's model. I mean, I'll teach it because it's like a model, but like maybe when I do like the Discord or something, but I don't want to just publicly post their stuff. It's I don't know, I don't think they have a YouTube video on it. It's very simple. It's just like a regular inversion for value gap targeting and for value gap, like how we targeted the 15-minute. But I don't really want to. I don't want to do like public YouTube videos on it, just because they haven't made any public videos on it. So, but yeah, Primp, I understand what you mean by when it was like rushed. Yeah, I get it. Maybe not like I wasn't rushing anything today, but I see what you mean with that. I understand completely what you're saying. I'm gonna make sure to put stuff like that in my journal. Don't worry. But thank you for the bro, shut up! Thank you for the criticism, bro. I'm open to it. The only criticism I don't take is when someone tries to convert me to their strategy. Because it's like, bro, I have a strategy that I know works, so I don't want to. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be on here for another 5 minutes actually because we're not at 11:10. Need to get those watch hours. Yeah. No, don't leave the stream. Chat, don't leave the stream. Chat, don't leave the stream. Ian said for everybody to leave the stream. Please don't leave the stream. Anybody got any questions before I get off though? We took like a 0.9 R loss, so basically 1 R loss, and ended green on the day with like a 1.1 R win. So pretty good. I mean, not good, but like we could have ended really green on the day if we didn't take this stupid setup. But yeah, I mean it's 80% win rate. There's gonna be some losses. I mean mechanically, I mean it's a mech model, a mechanical model, so that was valid. But with the choppy PA, could have subjectively said I choose to stay out of this, you know. But it's a mechanical model and 1 loss, 1-1. So yes, not yesterday, but there's always gonna be other wins. Would have gotten a better R, bro. It would have been 1.5 R if I got a better fill. You know that? Instead, I got like a 1.2 R fill. Anyways, anybody got any questions before I get off? We got about 3 minutes left here, and then I gotta go record a daily review for the YouTube. Actually, no, I gotta go edit the daily review. I'm just gonna be like live executions. I'm gonna have to go edit the stream, and then post it on the YouTube. Anybody got any questions? Bro, those YouTube emojis are crazy. Delivering off the hourly gap here. Right? We have the 1 hour. We have the 1 hour gap here we're delivering out of, right? Highest time frame inversion to the retrace of this 15-minute, not the retrace, but the rebalance, right? Highest time frame inversion delivering out of this hourly gap. So highest time frame inversion, looking for the rebalance of this 5-minute and the rebalance of this 15-minute for the better R, right? So I don't want to target for a negative risk to reward 0.7. So TP was down here, right? For a positive risk to reward, looking for the rebalance of this 15-minute. Because what do we know about the market? The market moves from liquidity to imbalance to liquidity to the imbalance. So we took out liquidity, rebalanced to this imbalance here, and continue up. So we might continue up here. We might disrespect this, continue down. Don't really know. But yeah, so that's how the market moves. We took out data highs, ran these highs here, hit the hourly gap, and price continued up until ES took out the data high, right? So we had a 6 sister situation today. Which is when one takes out the liquidity and one doesn't. So we came up. ES just really wanted to take it out. That's what stopped us out the first time. That's also what caused all the choppy PA here. So shouldn't have entered that first one just because of the choppy PA. but ES took out the high, and that's kind of what pushed NQ to continue up, to take out those data highs on ES. And then once we took it out, we showed some delivery off of this hourly gap, entered on the highest time frame inversion, and looked for the rebalance of this 15-minute. So that's pretty much everything from today. Anybody have any questions? Yeah. So normally an SMT is good, but sometimes you have a situation called a six sister, which is when one of them like is slowly trying to catch up and take out the same high. So that's kind of the situation we had today. So we had an SMT which really should have pushed us down, but apparently ES wanted to take out the high as well. So ES, it kind of dragged NQ along with it because they're correlated assets. So um, that's why an SMT is normally good for your setup. Like if it goes with your setup, which is why we liked that first setup today. We had an SMT, so price should have continued down, but we had the six sister situation, which is when ES didn't want to hold the SMT and actually wanted to break the SMT. So ES came to the data high, and it actually kind of just dragged NQ along with it, and that's what stopped us out. And that's also why we had the choppy PA there, because one was moving up, and NQ wanted to go down to rebalance these 5 and 15 minutes here. But ES wanted to take out the data high, so they were kind of conflicting each other. So one was pushing up, the other one was trying to push down, and it caused price to chop there. But yeah, so that's kind of why that was the bad setup. We could have seen with those first 5 candles where it was just chopping back and forth, would have made sense not to take that. So I understand where the guy was who said it was kind of rushed. That makes sense. But yeah, so for the most part, right idea here, just wrong execution on that first one, and we made it back with the setup right after. So yeah, that's pretty much it from today. It's now 11:10, so I'm gonna go ahead and end stream. And thank you guys for joining up. Everybody should be green today, whether you took that first one, that second one, or took that thing that Dodgy took. He posted in his Discord. He took some 30-second here. Took this 30-second to data highs. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get off. Thank you guys for joining up. I'll see you guys later.